Okay, I'm going to put these sort of curve points in, and looking at the actual product itself, I can see I can actually measure these approximately just by the radius, and they look about 17, so I'm going to go for 14 size circles. So again, I'm still in the sketch, I'm not out of the sketch. I'm going to go to circle, and I'm going to draw a circle around about that area there. But this time, before I actually put any dimension on, I'm going to click on the circle, hold the shift key down, and actually make it tangential to that line there. So click away, click on the circle again, hold the shift key down, and click on that baseline and make that tangential. Okay, it's still blue, so I now need to put a diameter on it. That's 9, so I'm going to make that into 14, make it slightly bigger. And you can see it's roughly taking that curve up there, and it does correspond to what I measured with the verniers. I'm going to draw another circle up the top. This one's smaller. It doesn't matter if I go over slightly, because I'm going to do exactly the same again. The dimension I'm looking for there is probably about 4 millimeters in diameter. So again, click on the circle, click on the curve, and I am going to make that tangential. You notice also I can get that relationship box here as well as up there. And just click away, click there, and on the sideline again, and I pick up the tangential point there as well. So all I need to do now is give that a dimension, 5.3, let's give that a thing of 4, and it reduces down quite nicely. So I could actually split the line down there, then mirror that image across, but I'm actually going to draw the circles in. So if I just take a circle there, roughly, select, and I'll just do another circle down there. Now if I click, hold the shift key down, click on that circle and that circle, and I make them equal, I know their dimensions, but they're not tangential to the line, so I just need to do that as we did before. So click on the circle, click on the outer line, make it tangential, and then click on the circle again on the baseline, make that tangential, and there we have it has become defined because of the blackness. And you can see it's starting to develop there. Let me just do the top circle on those. Let's make those equal, perfect, and then let's give a nice tangential relationship to those two there. Make tangent, and again make that tangent in itself. So we are almost fully defined. Now before we go any further, before we go on to do the next video, I am actually going to trim away. So I've got a sharp edge there, so just drag through, get rid of that circle, and you notice that's gone blue, but I'll get that back in a bit. So there and there, that's blue. I'll do the same down the bottom, and I'll do it on that side, and then I will take away that circle, So to get that back, I need to put dimension here. So if I go to smart dimension, I go from that point, just escape, I've got to pick up that point there, and the base gives me 10 millimeters, and you notice it's turned black. It's only because I've taken away a reference point for it. So let's give that a tick up here, and there you can see with the greyed out background the actual lines. It is accurate. The photograph I could scale down a little bit more, but I'll go more into that in a bit.